Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very warm welcome to you all. I'm delighted to be connecting with you today from my studio nestled in the vibrant city of Bandung, Indonesia. From this inviting space, we're about to embark on a truly extraordinary journey together, a journey that will challenge the very foundations of our understanding of reality itself, pushing the boundaries of what we think we know about the universe and our place within it. What if the concepts of time and space, those fundamental pillars upon which we build our perception of existence, are not as fixed and absolute as we've been led to believe? What if there's more to the story, a deeper layer of understanding waiting to be uncovered? What if the Holy Qur'an, in its timeless wisdom, offers a unique and profound perspective on these very concepts? A perspective that not only aligns with the cutting edge of modern scientific thought, but also transcends it, offering insights that science is only beginning to grasp. These are the questions that will guide us. Today, we will embark on an intellectual and spiritual exploration, delving into how Islamic teachings, particularly the verses of the Qur'an, describe the intricate workings of the universe, the enigmatic nature of time, and the boundless expanse of space. We'll examine these descriptions in light of contemporary scientific discoveries, revealing how ancient wisdom continues to resonate with modern knowledge, sparking curiosity and wonder in the hearts and minds of scientists, theologians, and believers alike. We'll see how the Qur'an anticipated many scientific concepts centuries before their formal discovery. This journey isn't about engaging in a battle of ideologies, attempting to prove the supremacy of one perspective over another. It's not about pitting science against faith or faith against science. Instead, it's about fostering a spirit of open inquiry, encouraging a respectful and constructive dialogue on the fundamental nature of reality itself. It's about recognizing that both science and faith offer valuable tools for understanding our existence, and that by bringing them into conversation, we can gain a richer, more complete picture of the universe and our place within it. So, with open minds and curious hearts, let us begin our journey into the depths of the cosmos. We will explore the vastness of space, the intricacies of time, and the profound mysteries that lie at the intersection of science and faith. Together, we will traverse the galaxies, ponder the nature of reality, and seek a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit. Prepare to be amazed, challenged, and inspired as we embark on this incredible adventure. The Qur'an, a text revered by Muslims worldwide, often touches upon profound aspects of existence, including the very origins of the universe. Within its verses, many find echoes of modern scientific understanding, particularly concerning the Big Bang theory. These interpretations offer a fascinating intersection between faith and reason, inviting contemplation on the mysteries of creation. The Qur'an doesn't present a scientific textbook, but rather provides glimpses and metaphors that resonate with contemporary cosmological models. It encourages believers to explore and understand the world around them, seeking knowledge and wisdom in all its forms. For example, Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30 presents a compelling image. Do not the disbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were a closed-up mass? Then we opened them out. This verse, rich in symbolism, speaks of an initial state of unity, a singularity from which everything emerged. The act of opening out suggests a process of expansion and differentiation, a concept strikingly similar to the expansion of the universe described by modern cosmology. This verse isn't just a statement of fact, but an invitation to ponder the divine power behind the unfolding of creation. It prompts reflection on the intricate processes that have shaped the cosmos and our place within it. Modern science, through meticulous observation and theoretical frameworks, tells us that the universe began from an incredibly hot, dense singularity. This singularity underwent a period of rapid expansion, an event we now call the Big Bang. From this initial expansion, the universe cooled, allowing for the formation of subatomic particles, atoms, stars, galaxies, and eventually planets. The evidence for the Big Bang is compelling, ranging from the cosmic microwave background radiation to the observed redshift of distant galaxies. This scientific narrative provides a detailed account of the universe's evolution, grounded in empirical data and mathematical models. The Qur'an's description of the heavens and earth being opened out resonates deeply with this scientific narrative of the Big Bang and the subsequent expansion of the universe. The act of opening can be interpreted as a metaphor for the continuous stretching and expansion of space-time, a fundamental aspect of our understanding of the cosmos. This resonance doesn't necessarily imply a direct scientific prediction, but rather a complementary perspective on the origins of existence. It highlights the potential for harmony between religious and scientific viewpoints, encouraging a holistic understanding of the universe. Furthermore, some Islamic scholars interpret the mention of smoke in Surah Fussilat 41:11 as referring to the primordial state of the universe. This smoke is seen as a representation of the early cosmos, a swirling mixture of gas and dust from which galaxies and stars would eventually coalesce. This interpretation aligns with the scientific understanding of the early universe as a plasma-filled environment, rich in the raw materials for cosmic construction. The Qur'an's use of the term smoke provides a vivid image of this early state, capturing the chaotic and dynamic nature of the universe in its infancy. While interpretations of these verses naturally vary among scholars and individuals, they collectively invite us to reflect on the profound mysteries surrounding the origins of everything around us. They encourage a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer scale and complexity of the universe, prompting us to consider our place within this grand cosmic tapestry. The Quran's verses serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, urging us to seek knowledge and understanding with humility and reverence. Ultimately, it's remarkable how ancient scripture and modern science, seemingly disparate fields of inquiry, can sometimes speak a similar language when addressing fundamental questions about existence. This convergence of perspectives highlights the potential for dialogue and collaboration between faith and reason, fostering a richer and more comprehensive understanding of the universe and our place within it. By embracing both scientific inquiry and spiritual reflection, we can gain deeper insights into the mysteries of creation and the profound questions that have captivated humanity for centuries. Now let's delve into the fascinating concept of time. For centuries, humanity perceived time as an absolute, a constant, and unwavering measure of existence. But modern physics has shattered this notion. Einstein's groundbreaking theory of relativity reveals that time is not a rigid, unyielding entity. Instead, it's a fluid, dynamic dimension that can stretch and contract, influenced by factors like speed and gravity. Imagine time as a river, its flow quickening or slowing depending on the landscape it traverses. This revolutionary idea challenges our everyday understanding and opens up a universe of possibilities. It forces us to reconsider our place within the grand cosmic tapestry, where time itself is a variable. Intriguingly, the Qur'an, revealed centuries before Einstein, also presents time as something flexible and relative, a concept that resonates with modern scientific discoveries. It doesn't portray time as a fixed, linear progression, but rather as a dimension that can be perceived and experienced differently. For example, in Surah Al-Hajj, verse 22:47, it states, "A day with your Lord is like 1,000 years of what you count." This verse isn't merely a poetic expression. It hints at a profound truth about the nature of time, suggesting that the divine perspective transcends our limited human perception. It invites us to contemplate the vastness of God's creation and the limitations of our own temporal understanding. This idea of time's relativity appears in several other verses throughout the Qur'an, subtly yet powerfully suggesting that time, as we experience it in our earthly existence, is not the same for God or in the hereafter. The afterlife, for instance, is often described as a realm beyond the constraints of time as we know it. These verses encourage us to think beyond the confines of our linear perception and to consider the possibility of a timeless reality. They prompt us to question the very fabric of our existence and to explore the deeper mysteries of creation. It's a call to expand our minds and embrace the possibility of realities beyond our immediate comprehension. Modern science, through experiments and observations, has irrefutably shown that time can indeed move differently depending on factors such as speed and gravity. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, is a cornerstone of Einstein's theory of relativity. The Qur'an's perspective on time, while not explicitly detailing the scientific mechanisms, seems to echo this relativity, hinting at a deeper understanding of the universe's workings. It's as if the ancient text anticipated the scientific discoveries of our modern age, offering a glimpse into the complex relationship between time, space, and existence. This convergence of faith and science is a testament to the interconnectedness of knowledge and the enduring quest for understanding. These parallels between the Qur'an's verses and modern scientific findings invite us to engage in deep contemplation about the fundamental nature of time and our place within the vast expanse of the universe. It's an invitation to ponder the mysteries of existence, to question our assumptions, and to seek a deeper understanding of reality. Are we merely fleeting observers in a linear timeline, or are we part of something far grander and more complex? The convergence of faith and science encourages us to explore these questions with open minds and hearts, embracing the unknown and seeking wisdom from both ancient texts and modern discoveries. Throughout history, Islamic scholars have engaged in profound discussions about the relativity of time, particularly within the context of the afterlife, divine perspective, and the nature of creation. They have explored the philosophical implications of verses that suggest time is not absolute, seeking to reconcile faith and reason. These scholars have delved into the concept of God's timelessness, pondering how a being beyond the constraints of time perceives and interacts with the universe. Their intellectual explorations have enriched our understanding of Islamic theology and its perspective on the nature of reality. This remarkable convergence of ideas demonstrates that both science and faith, often perceived as separate domains, ultimately encourage us to question, explore, and unravel the profound mysteries of existence. They both beckon us to look beyond the surface, to delve into the depths of reality, and to seek a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Whether through scientific inquiry or spiritual contemplation, the quest for knowledge and meaning is a shared human endeavor, uniting us in our pursuit of truth and wisdom. It's a journey of discovery that transcends boundaries and connects us to something far greater than ourselves. The Quran often mentions the 7 heavens. What does this mean? Some interpret this as layers of the universe or realms beyond our perception. Modern astronomy reveals a universe of unimaginable scale, with billions of galaxies and vast distances. The Quran's language encourages us to reflect on this vastness and our place within it. Some scholars see the 7 heavens as symbolic, while others look for scientific parallels. Regardless, the message is clear. The universe is far greater than we can imagine. This inspires humility and curiosity, driving us to seek knowledge. Some people see conflict between science and faith, but the Quran encourages the pursuit of knowledge. It urges us to observe, reflect, and learn from the world around us. Many Muslim scientists throughout history have contributed to both religious and scientific knowledge. True understanding comes from dialogue, not conflict, between faith and reason. By bridging science and faith, we gain a richer, more nuanced view of reality. The Quran and modern science can coexist, each offering insights into the mysteries of the cosmos. As we reflect on time, space, and the universe, we see that both the Quran and science invite us to wonder and seek knowledge. The Quran isn't a science textbook, but its verses inspire curiosity and humility. Science explains how the universe works. Faith gives us meaning and purpose. By reading the cosmos and the Quran together, we embark on the ultimate journey toward knowledge of the universe, its creator, and ourselves. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. Until next time, keep seeking, keep wondering, and may peace be upon you.